Everybody is beat down, grumpy, angry, mad. I don't blame you. I'm there with you, right? But we gotta hang in there, man. I truly believe this alt season is coming. All right, back in 2021, I want to show you something here. I was looking at this chart earlier, right? Back before we had this big run last time, I was here for it. I felt the pain, the agony, the giving up right through here. This was like a 60% pullback for Bitcoin before we had this final push up here, right? Now, if you look at this up here and this down here, take a bars pattern, right? Okay, put this on there. Let's take a look at, let's pull this up here, right, the way it is, okay? Go with our top over here, yeah, and it looks eerily similar, right about there, okay? That would fill our fair value gap, and then maybe one more push back up here for Bitcoin, maybe a little bit higher than that, maybe not, maybe it does, these patterns, every trader out there knows, a lot of these patterns repeat, right? This is that pattern right through here. We have a fair value gap up here at 73,000. Put this on there. Pretty close, right? I mean, very, very close. Put that on there. I mean, I would fill that perfectly. Right down to 73. It's about 73.5, 73.4, somewhere right around there. Okay, and maybe that last run up. We'll see what happens here, right? But it does kind of match up, does it not? All right, if we come over here to XRP, and please hit that like and subscribe, guys. If you're looking for a great place to leverage trade, I've been using Weeks now for quite a while. A lot of people over in our Discord come over here and sign up. They have up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses for people. When you come over, you do not have to use KYC if you don't want to. 600 pairs, all kinds of competitions. They have a trading competition going on now. You trade ETH, you get a piece of one Ethereum for the next, I forget how many days it is, but I traded the one day. I got 15 bucks in ETH for trading that day. All kinds of stuff, up to 400x leverage on some pairs. So come check it out. There's a link in the description of the video, and sign up and join our Discord. That's a level 3 membership. YouTube, it's only $15, man. We've had 3 wins today. Caspa was 2 of them. Looking to close that one out here pretty shortly. I'm up over 2x right now. And we have this, alt season coming, right? It's coming. So there's a link in the description of the video for both of them, that level 3 membership. We have almost 200 members in there. We would love to have you, right? That gets you over 20 videos to watch to teach how to start trading also, all right? How to draw trend lines, how to use the fib, all that stuff. Over 20 videos and a link to the Discord. Now we're taking a look at XRP here. First, we had a break up, right? Typical stuff here. A breakup, bullish engulfing candle, then a bearish engulfing candle. Took back all them gains right back down here, right? What does this pattern look like it's forming? Potentially, a 5 wave down here. 1, 2, 3 wave here, 4, and a 5. Why do I think that? Well, Bitcoin, it looks like, has that one final push down, right? Now, if we take a fib, this is on the 12-hour chart, right? It wouldn't change at all, really, a little bit on the daily, right? We're getting down through that 786 here, them support levels. What do I think could possibly happen here? Maybe, possibly a push right down here. Maybe. All right. Why do I think that? Well, the 5 waves down, and a potential target for that would be right around that $1.31 area. Would that match up with anything here? Let's take a look. All right, let's put a line across there. Go out like on a weekly. Is there any major supports? Yeah, there is. Right through here. Major one right where we're looking here. On a monthly, not much as far as a monthly goes, right? But a weekly, definitely. All right, now, do I think we're going to pull down there? It's possible, right? Maybe we come back and retest. Maybe we even hold at $1.60 there. We have a weekly support there that would retest the top of the 2021 run, right? That would be a retest there. Haven't really got a retest back down here, right? We had to pull down here $1.76. You know, kind of retested a wick there on the top. You know, I guess you could call that a retest, but the closing candles here, you know, they're down there on the monthly. On a weekly, let's see here, be way back here. You know, these are all wicks, right? So maybe we do get that pull down. You know, the width of that wedge would probably put us in that zone, right? I mean, if we take a measurement of this wedge, usually you do the width of the wedge. I have not done this pre-video or anything here, so let's see what this says. You know, put it on the break area. It's going to put it in that zone, right? Pretty close. So, and if Bitcoin pushes down to 73, you know, what's that more than likely going to do to everything? It's, you know, it's going to push it down, right? That would be very frustrating. We're looking for that, you know, that I give up stage, and everybody's about ready to smash their laptops, right? Everybody, you know, out there is very, very frustrated. Do we have a fair value gap here that needs to be filled? We do. Right? I mean, this thing is going to get filled at some time. Very similar over here to that big push down. This push back here was, let's take a look. Obviously here, I remember every bit of this. 55%, right? Where are we at now? We go from the top to where we're at now. We're looking about 30% there. It's about 32. Let's get these bars out of here for a second. Let me make sure I'm getting that measurement right. Okay, let's get that alarm off there, so we can see exactly where we're at. Right. Delete that, and now we get that measurement. And so this really isn't as bad as it was in 2021. That's for sure. Yeah, 27%. That's nothing. You know, if we fill that fair value gap, you're at 32%. All right, you see what normally happens. We come back. Grab my arrow. We come, you know, we ran up. We had a fair value gap, came back down, built it, slingshot right up. Okay, we shot up there. We made this fair value gap. It's filled most of it. You know. Come down, fill it, slingshot back up, right? Just like this pattern, you know, from 2021. Pretty, very, very, very similar. Pull it down here, right on top of that price action we're at now. Boy, matches up pretty decent. We'll see what happens, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe. Come join us in Discord and check Weeks out, please. A very, very great site. You'll love it over there. Have a great day, everybody.